Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got something a little different. Got a quick review video for you. I actually had a company reach out to me. It's called SuncentAuto, and they actually provide all sorts of different bulbs from interior bulbs as well as headlight assemblies, tail lights, all that sort of stuff. So they reached out to me wanting me to try out some of the headlight bulbs that we have for the F10. So that's what we're going to jump in today. So if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Want to, check out all the content that we have out there, past videos. But on the screen real quick here, we're going to show you a little bit about the Sunset website.
Okay, and so I will make sure to put a link to the website down in the description, but this is the SuncentAuto website. You'll just plug in your year, make, and model of your vehicle. It'll pull up information for automotive lighting, auto parts, performance parts. But today we are working with the Torchbeam D1S headlights.
And in this video, I'll try to see if I can get you guys some before and after shots of the bulb. You guys can see what the light output looks like and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to turn the camera around and jump right into this now.
Okay, and hopefully this is showing up good on camera, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what the stock headlights look like, what that cutoff looks like. We're basically on the incline of my driveway here. And then what we'll do is we'll get out and go for a quick drive. Just again, to give us a look at what the stock headlights look like, and then what we'll be able to do is we'll throw in the new units that we just got and see if we can tell any difference.
Okay, and so on a quick drive here, I'm sorry, it's chilly outside, but on a quick drive, we can kind of see the light output that you see from the stock headlights. It's decent. I'd like for it to be better, so hopefully we'll get a better output with the new headlight or the new bulbs. What I'll try to do is see if we can't get a stationary position and see if we can kind of show how far that beam actually protrudes. So next shot real quick should just be a quick side-by-side or a side comparison, a side shot to kind of see how far that beam actually goes out with these stock headlights. Okay, so we couldn't really find a spot that was really too long to get that good side profile, but we can get an idea of how far we can see with that beam pattern with this stock bulbs. So that again is from our stock bulbs, and we'll see what we can do when we switch it out. Okay, so the company that reached out to me is a company called SuncentAuto. They sell a lot of lighting products, and so they actually hooked us up with these head bulbs. These are the D1S bulbs that we would need for the BMW, the F10 535i. For any of the beam, for any F10s that came with the xenon HID headlights. Okay, and the easiest way that we want to access this bulb is to actually turn our wheels all the way out. So of course we're working on the driver's side here. Use a short stubby screwdriver, Phillips, and you have access to actually, if we can get a flashlight in here, to remove this side cover, and you will actually get access to your bulb here. So again, you got your cover that you have to twist and get out of the way, but when you do, there is your bulb right in there. It's kind of difficult to see from here, but that is it. So these should they should be twisted to release and come out. So we're going to work on that real quick. Okay, and with a little bit of patience there, we've got our bulb out. So we're going to bring this over to the workbench. We've got, again, the replacement bulb is right here. I believe the stock units are probably about 5,300 kilowatts. These are 6,000. They'll probably give just a little bit more of a bluish tint to them, especially when they're warming up and kind of we're breaking them in. So we're going to see what we need to do to get this little plastic piece transferred over to the new unit, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. And so it looks like there's a little lever here at the top. We're going to depress that and pull back, and you can see that open up. Sorry, I got ashy hands here from working in there with that dirt. But that actually is going to help us to remove this plastic surround, and then we're going to get it swapped over to the new unit. Okay, it's all swapped over, and now we're going to go ahead and do reinstallation, which is basically just the opposite of disassembly. So we're going to get that bulb put in. We'll go ahead and get the other side put in off camera, and then we'll be back with you guys with some results.
New bulbs installed, and you guys tell me, what do we think?
I like the color. It's got a little bit lighter, like a bluer tint to the color, which I think looks really good. Just a slight hint of blue, but I can't 100% tell whether or not there is a better light output. I'll definitely try to see if I can review when I'm looking on film or whatnot, but definitely at least, if anything, a good stock replacement. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get back in the car, and I'll give you a little bit of a view of it driving. Okay, and this is how it looks lighting up the road. I think that's a pretty good look on, especially on camera. Okay, so I would say that I really like the output of the new bulbs. I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on camera with some of the driving and whatnot. I'm not sure. If you take a look at my my front windshield, I think I'm running like 15 or 20% tint on the front windshield, and that's just the way that my car came. So I don't know how well those images showed up on the camera, but I do really like the color output on these new bulbs. They are, from what I can see, they're going to be a great replacement bulb. I don't think that they put out, I don't think they have a lot more light output, but I do like the color of them. So I would call this a really great replacement bulb. So thanks to all you guys for sticking with us on this review. Again, like and subscribe. I want to keep trying to bring this type of content to you guys as well. There's plenty of DIYs and other mods out there on the channel, so make sure you guys take a look at that. And you guys be safe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.